Angle of elevation and depression word problem. Okay, let's start. A guy wire for a tree is 9 meter long, making 40 degrees angle with the ground. How far is the base of the tree from the stake anchoring the wire? Para masagutan po natin, i-drawing po natin. Meron daw tree. Drawing tayo na, Christmas tree na lang. So, meron tayong tree. Tapos meron ng wire, 9 meter. 9. Sorry, yung pangit ng 9. 9 meter. Making 40 degrees angle. Dito daw ay 40 degrees angle. With the ground. So, ground. Yan. How far is the base of the tree from the stake anchoring the wire? Meron daw dito stake. Ito yung hanap natin. What trigonometric ratios dealing with the adjacent and hypotenuse? Okay, cosine theta. So, cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, i-input natin given. Cos 40 is equals to x over 9. Para ma-cross multiply natin, lagyan natin ng 1. X times 1, simply x equals 9 times cosine 40. Pagsamahin lang natin, cos 9 cos 40. X equals to, input natin sa calculator, 9 cos 40 is equals to 6.89. Laging 2 decimal places po ang kukunin natin answer. Dahil meter po yung ginamit na unit, meter din po ang lalagyan natin. So, ito po ang ating sagot. 6.89 meter. Okay, next problem. The entrance of an indoor parking space is 50 cm above the ground level. A ramp from the ground level is to be built. Gagawa daw ng ramp to be built. If the angle of elevation from the base of the ramp to its top is to be 12 degree, how long should be the ramp be? Ito ang hinanap natin. Gano'n daw kahaba yung ramp? Ito daw yung parking space. 50 centimeter above the ground level. Ito yung ground level natin. Gagawa daw tayo ng ramp. Gagawa ng ramp para makapunta dito yung kotse, mga sasakyan. Para makapunta dyan yung mga sasakyan. The angle of elevation from the base of the ramp to its top is 12 degrees. Ito daw ay 12 degrees. How long should be the ramp be? So, ito po ang hinanap natin. Now, what trigonometric ratios dealing with the opposite and hypotenuse? Okay, sine. So, sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Input natin yung given. Sine 12 is equals to opposite is 50 over x. Para ma-cross multiply natin, lagyan natin ng denominator na 1. So, x times sine 12. Isasamahin lang natin x sine 12. 50 times 1 equals to 50. Para ma-isolate yung variable x, we have to divide sine 12 both sides of the equation. So divide sine 12 sine 12. Maka-cancel to, cancel. So x is equals to 50 sine 12. X equals to, input natin sa calculator, 50 divide sine 12. So ang sagot, 240.49. Bali, ni-round up na natin sa 2 decimal places. Dahil centimeter yung ginamit na unit, ilalagay din natin is centimeter. So ito na po ang answer natin. Okay, try to pause the video and try to answer this word problem. Okay. An escalator has an angle of elevation of 10 degree and a vertical rise of 6 meter. Find the length of the escalator. Meron the escalator. Yung angle of elevation niya, escalator, 10 degrees. 10 degrees. Sorry, pangit ang degree. Is natin. Pangit ang degree. Okay, 10 degree. And a vertical rise of 6 meter. So yung vertical rise niya daw is 6 meter. So loob na natin sulat. 6 meter. Yan. Find the length of the escalator. Ang hinanap natin yung length. Ito po yung length. Anong trigonometric ratios ang nagdi-deal sa opposite and hypotenuse? Okay, sine theta. Sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 10 degrees is equals to, opposite natin is 6 over x. Lagyan natin ng denominator na 1 para cross multiply natin. So x times sine 10 degrees, so x sine 10 is equals to 1 times 6 is 6. To isolate the variable x, we have to divide both sides by sine 10. Divide both side by sign. 10. Then cancel, bring down x equals to 6. Input at calculator, 6 divide sine 10. Ang sagot is 34.55. Ang sagot po natin lagi pong 2 decimal places dahil meter ang ginamit na unit, lalagay din po natin yung meter. So this is our answer. I hope you learn. God bless.